Please do not touch the inner side of the anti-fog lens with your fingers. Assembling the gasket. The larger side of the lens has a triangle-shaped fixed mark. The smaller side of the lens has a rectangular-shaped fixed mark. Correspondingly, the larger side of the lens has a triangle shape. The smaller side of the lens has a rectangle shape. When assembling the gasket, start assembling with the smaller side of the gasket. Insert the lens to the gasket. Use the left hand index finger to press on it. Use the right hand thumb to follow the side of the lens, then push into the gasket. Use the elasticity of the gasket. We can pull and stretch while rotating. Assemble the gasket is now complete. After assembling the lens, check whether both anchor points on the lens and gasket are perpendicularly matching. In the meantime, press the inner sides of the gasket to increase firmness. And try to put it on the eyes. Press the lens with your hand. See whether it has suction. Assembling the gasket is now complete.